Hi, all my beautiful souls, all my beautiful kings and queens. This video is in English, so if you are subscriber of my Hindi channel, so you can check out all the Hindi videos, but this one is in English. Those who are new to my channel, let me tell you, there is a giveaway going on my channel. That's like, this is a career bracelet which I'm providing it to you, and this is a relationship bracelet I'm providing it to you guys. That's on 18th September, and you need to participate on that. Like, all you have to do, you have to subscribe my channel and keep writing below to my videos and my community page post. So at the end of the day, like on 17th of September, I would be giving you, I would do lottery system, and I'll give one person I'll give this career bracelet, one person this relationship bracelet. This is made of rose quartz, green aventurine, and crystal quartz. So these three things helps actually in relationship, and then top of that I will give them reiki energy by your name and your partner's name to make both of you together. And this is by your name I will give energy to make your career better. So one person I'll give this, and the other person I'll give the relationship bracelet. So you can participate, subscribing my channel, you can participate on giveaway. About me, I'm a psychic medium, I'm a tarot reader. I do tarot card reading intuitively. That means whenever I do tarot card reading, I do it through spirit guidance. I have done my graduation from University of Edinburgh, Scotland. That's on divine spirituality. About my Reiki healing experience, I am a Reiki healer. I know Oshishui Reiki, Rohoyo Reiki, Rainbow Reiki, Samhala, and Karuna Reiki. I'm Karuna Reiki master from ELC Chicago. Oshishui Sheiki Rohoyo. I'm a Oshishui Reiki master from Oshishui Sheiki Rohoyo, Rainbow, and Samhala, and also crystal reiki master from DICR, US California. So that's all about my reiki experience. I do all kind of healing, relationship, inner child healing, and then marriage healing, career healing, educational healing, and health healing. About my other experience, I have learned Kabbalah, that is from Jerusalem, and that's a oldest Jewish technique. That's a cosmic healing technique. I know I'm a Kabbalah expert too. So, but this is all about me. 14 years I'm doing Reiki practicing, or I'm a healer since 14 years. Tarot reader since 8 years, 8 9 years, since 2012. I did learn tarot reading from Academy of Tarot India, level 1, level 2, level 3, one of the most renowned institution in India. So you have three choices. The subject is what would be their next move, and will they contact you. So this is lapis lazuli, this is green aventurine, and this is basically citrine. So lapis lazuli, green aventurine, and citrine. There are three options you have. You have to choose any of these options, and you can close your eyes and choose any of the options. So the subject is what would be their next move. Will they contact you? So lapis lazuli, green aventurine, and citrine, or green jade and citrine. So within these three, you have to choose one. What would be their next move? Will they contact you or not? So that's all about it. If this is for married and unmarried, for both of them. So let's get started. I'm giving you 10 seconds. Choose one. Okay, so let's get started with citrine. What would be their next move? Will they contact you or not? Yes, definitely they will contact you. That's for sure. Because this card is like magician card, and the magician is basically the person where you go and make your work done. So this person is someone like can manifest everything to the universe, whatever you wish. They can manifest to the universe and give it to you. Basically this person is someone for like you have a problem, you go to them, they will make the things done. Okay, so this is the angel cards. From the spirit card, the void, retreat, rest and pause. Okay, so what's happening now? I'm seeing somebody is kind of a soul journey. They want to avoid their family. They don't want to be with their family, and this family member is kind of forcefully making them getting married to someone else, and they're afraid of getting out of this family things. So probably your boyfriend, girlfriend, companion, partner, or spouse. They have choices, but they don't want to go for them, they want to come back to you, but there is this family things involved in this matter. So I'm seeing they're kind of worried about their family. Somebody is not well, some illness in the family, and yeah, whenever you try to make them feel like home, they actually run away. So running in, running out, running in, running out, so these things are always going on with your relationship. Like I am running into you and then I'm running out of you, so these things are happening, continuously happening, and this is happening since last 3 to 4 years. I'm seeing this. You guys are in sun moon rising, definitely Aquarius energy, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisceans energy, and Aries energy. And then I'm seeing Sun, Moon, Rising, Aries, Libra, Aquarius. So this kind of energy I'm seeing Saggy. Um, Definitely yes. So here there is no third party, but of course their family is involved in this matter. They don't want them to be with you, and they do something so this person come out of this relationship. But at the same time, I'm seeing that person is kind of spying you on social media, though he or she has this low frequency energy towards you. So I'm seeing that there is a low contact, not no contact situation, but low contact situation, but they're physically and mentally stressed out because they have come out of you and they wanted to try a new relationship, and that's kind of not working for them. They have these heart feelings, true love feelings towards you. I'm seeing somebody is not well. I'm feeling that after a breakup, they have some issues, some PCOD issues. Let me know about whom I'm talking to. Somebody has PCOD issues. Someone is kind of thinking, okay, let it go. This person definitely works as a software engineer somewhere. Somebody from other city, they are kind of this illusion that this person found somebody else. No, they did not found somebody else. It's just as simple as it is that their family kind of not supporting you. This person definitely has an imbalanced root chakra and heart chakra, so that's why they are unable to take a decision. Their energies are kind of not flowing properly in their body, and their chakras are imbalanced, so they cannot take a decision. They are actually not thinking from heart, or they don't have that enough energy to take a decision towards you. They are kind of running out of you because of their family things. But yes, if you ask that will they come back to you or contact you, yes, definitely they will come back to you or contact you. But that is not going to happen now. So it looks like it is going to happen after 5 months. Down to the lane, after 5 months, they will come back to you. Not before that. Yes, at least 5 months. Your names, few of your names, first your last letter of the name would be S, G, N, and B, U, D, R, A, T, and M. Your date of birth could be number 5 and 14, number 12 and 17. 14 is quite obvious, 9, 27 and 18, 30 and 10 and 1 and 28, 19. In profession, you guys probably engineers, or you are doing some, you are a government officer or some a government employee, and or a police or army or law or legal or judicial judge. This person would definitely come back to you. If you are wondering that they will not come back to you, no, they will contact you, but they will contact you only after 5 months. Number 5 is in front of me, so it would be either 5 weeks or 5 months. I am feeling that it's kind of 3 to 5 months minimum. What kind of suggestion Angel is giving it to you? Let's see. Angel is saying, from spirit with love, boundaries, set them daily. Retreat, rest, and pause. The void. Yes. So this is a time where you just have to take rest. You cannot do much about this thing. So they are kind of having the low frequency, low energy towards you. They are thinking more about their family. They don't want to take decision towards you, and their family kind of very important for them. They are spying you, though they don't have anybody in their life, but still they are not coming back to you. So you cannot do anything about this situation. So you just have to keep quiet and rest and wait for this person when they will come back. But they will definitely come back to you. 3 to 5 months down to the lane, they will come back to you for sure. So as if not now, will they contact you? Yes, they will contact you. But the question was like, what would be their next move? They are not taking any steps towards you. They're running away from you. They're running out of this relationship, and I am feeling that they kind of pause this relationship for a few days, few months, and probably they feel like, let go to you, like they let go to you. So this is kind of a time where you have to rest, and you have to give them time. So their next move is nothing towards you, probably towards their family. They will try to see someone their family will choose for them. But finally they cannot take decision about that person, because you both have this true soulmate connection, or soulmate connection from past life. So they will definitely come back to you, but this is not the time. So their next move is not towards you, definitely not towards you. So that's all about it. Those who choose citrine, hopefully you like this reading. Let me know your opinion. Now, for them who choose green aventurine or green jade, let's see what would be their next move. Will they contact you? Their next move, will they contact you? Okay, so they will not contact you. They never loved you. They were kind of like, they're cheating on you. Obvious, very obvious. Oh my god, like they are too casual about you, and you have to accept it that um, this person was never into you. Like they never felt about you, they never thought that they wanted to marry you. They are kind of friendly to you, or they're very casual to you. They kind of cheating on you, cheating from behind. Like that's kind of I would say that, because that's kind of a very uh, obvious things. Like nobody likes to hear like that they were cheating on you or something. Like you will feel, oh, ma'am is again, telling that, telling something like negative or something. But yes, they were cheating on you. They left you purposely. They were nothing like that. They don't wanted to leave you, and then there were circumstances, so they left. No, they left you purposely, and they never into you. They wanted to be with someone else, and they are with someone else now. And this relationship probably started by month of March or August, just few days back. So for some people, they were like a new relationship, they started with someone else, that is on month of March. And for some people, like it is on August starting, like July end or August starting. So they started a new relationship. They are kind of dating them. They were happy. They are happy with them. This person is an intelligent person, but at the same time, this person is kind of flirtatious. They would like to have date with multiple people at the same time. Say they were never into you. They are very casual to you. This relationship was never meant to be together. But I would say this relationship were like something like he never wanted to be with you. I won't say that never meant to be together. This was like he never wanted to be with you. He or she was something like, okay, this is a casual relationship for time pass, and now they are with someone else. They are quite happy. They are dating. And they contact you? Definitely not in sooner, like in recent future. But yes, in far future, they will definitely contact you, and they will call you on, they will talk to you, and they will again start this relationship. Because there is something which I wanted to tell you. They are kind of true soulmate or twin flame to you. So if you ask what is their new next move, their next move is kind of towards all this third person they are with now. But later stage, they will definitely contact you back. You guys are in Sun Moon Rising Aries, Leo and Sagi, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisceans, and definitely Libra, Aquarian and Gemini. They are your true soulmate or twin flame, twin soul. They will definitely come back to you, but next move would not be towards you. It's kind of with third party. They are kind of enjoying with third party. They will not take a move towards you. But yes, they will not come to you, they will not contact you. But yes, in far future, not in recent future, far future, probably down to the lane after 7, 8, 9 months, they will definitely come back to you and talk to you. It would definitely happen after 6 months. In next 6 months, they are not going to contact you. Let's see what angels has to say about these things. Strength and grace through kindness, self-confidence and forgiveness. Yes, whenever they come back to you, you have to forgive them, because these guys are like, they are like your twin flame, twin soul. You have date of birth like 11, 2 and 27, 25 and 16, and number 9, 27 and 18, number 6, 24 and 15, number 8, 26 and 17 and 19. And I tell your first or your or your partner's first or last letter of the name would be Y, I, A, P, T, I, C, G, S, H, V, E, N, X, R, D. So yes, what about them? Like they will definitely um, Yes, so they would definitely return to you, but not in recent future. That would happen in far future. And this person is definitely your true soulmate, twin flame, twin soul, true soulmate. And this card, sun card, so they would definitely make you both will make a good happy home or happy family, but that is in far future, probably like 8 9 months, 6 to 8 months, 9 months, 1 year down to the lane. As if now this person is cheating on you, somebody else is there and they are kind of dating them, they're happy with them, and their next move would be towards the third party, not your side, like the third person, towards that third person, not for you. You have invested wisely, have patience, and wait for the harvest. Review your progress and make plans for your next endeavor. See what universe is trying to tell you. Like, you have invested lots of time, lots of energy behind this person or after this person. Now you just have to wait. You have to wait patiently, so they will come back to you on at their own time. So divine has their own time, because you are in a divine journey, so divine has their own time to return your man or woman back. But this is not the exact time, this is not the right time. He or she will not come back to you at this time, but divine has their own time. That particular time this person will definitely return to you. That's what universe is trying to tell you. So that is all about it. And those who choose green aventurine, let's see what for the last and the final pile. um, Lapis lazuli. Guys, I will say again, there is a giveaway going on my channel. There would be this golden pirates bracelet, and this is for relationship, rose quartz and green aventurine and crystal cross bracelet. So I'm giving them free with the Reiki energy by your name, and that is for one of my subscriber, two of my subscriber, one for this and one for this one. So that is on 18th of September. All you need to do, subscribe my channel and keep writing on my videos till then, below to my videos and on my channel's community post. And I do lottery end of this 17th, 16th or 17th of September. I'll do lottery and announce two persons name, those who win these bracelets. Will they contact you? What will be their next move? Okay, so what would be their next move? Will they contact you or not? Yes, they will contact you, but they are okay. So you guys are in Sun Moon Rising, Aries, Leo, and Saggy, Virgo, Taurus, and Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. um, Definitely they will contact you back. They are again, this connection is all about twin flame, twin soul, or true soulmate, from past births, true soulmate, and there is a new beginning, and that would happen within 1 or 2 months. Definitely they are emotional towards you. This is all about long distance relationship. This relationship is not working out because this person has this root chakra and third eye chakra problem, sorry, throat chakra problem. This is a communication problem because of lots of this no communication situation because of this long distance relationship. This I'm feeling something like self sabotaging situation, some mental trauma, physical trauma. There is a problem regarding this financial issues, some financial issues going on their life. They probably lost their job, or they probably searching for a new job. There were lots of conflicts because of this job things. These people are engineers, definitely software, civil, mechanical, automobile, or robotic, any kind of engineers, or you are working as a financial analyst, financial or banking sector person, like investment banking, banker, or something like that, like customer service in banker, bill payment agent, or something like that. This kind of job you are doing with banking sector, mortgage companies, or financial companies, or you are an economical teacher, like finance teacher, economics teacher. So this can be possible, like a lecturer or a trainer. Definitely this person coming from your past life soulmate, or and he or she is kind of very emotional towards you, very overprotective towards you. But at this point of time they have this financial crisis. It's because of they are kind of having, you both having conflicts, and that things will go away. This is just a matter of 1 or 2 months. Things would be all okay. Your name starts with U, K, T, Y, N, G, D, A, W, S, R, O, P. This would be your first or last letter of the name. Definitely, yes, this person is going to come back. They will contact you. What would be their next move? Their next move is towards you. They already start thinking that what I have done, like I had, these conflicts were not necessary. You and he or she had this major conflicts going on, and they already are repenting for that. They're thinking why I have to do so. And they will come back to you. Definitely their next move would be towards you only, and they will communicate with you. This is all positive, like they in eventually down to the lane, probably by month of April, May, you are going to marry with this person. Definitely, you are going to marry this person by April or May. I'm seeing these things. They are quite emotional towards you. They feel for you. Expansion in your life, creation, karma, untying the knots. Some suffering because of your past life karma. I told you, you both are coming from past life. You both are past life soulmate, true soulmate. So these things which are not working out for you both just because of this karma things. This is all positive. These things are like all positive. I don't have to tell much things about this pile, or this lapis lazuli, those who choose lapis lazuli, because this is definitely, there is nothing to say. I'm seeing they're coming back to you within a month or two. They are talking to you. They will come and meet you, and they are going to definitely going to get married with you. There's nothing to say about this relationship or connection. So here this reading ends. Hopefully you have enjoyed that this reading. Let me know on comment section. I'll be very happy if you write on comment section. Thank you guys. Have a blessed day, and God bless you.